Good morning, Paul.
Hi. Good morning. You are so early today.
Yes, traffic wasn't much today, so I made it to the office earlier.
I see. How does it take you to reach the office every day?
Well, about an hour or so.
Wow, that's quite a long journey. Do you drive a car?
No, I take the public bus. It's safer.
You are right, but I get up a little late. That gives me no other option but no travel. By scooter.
Well, both have advantages and disadvantage.
Hi Jane. How are you doing this morning?
I'm all right, thanks. Just a little tired.
You worked overtime last night?
Yeah, I got home at about 2.
Oh, you're really a workaholic. Well, if there's anything I can do for you, let me know.
I really appreciate that.
Well, I think it is time to call it a day.
Me too, I'm beat.
What time do you want to meet? Tomorrow morning?
Is 7:30 okay?
Oh, no. Too early.
What about 8:30?
It is great for me.
Okay, see you then. Come on, Cindy, let's go. It's 5:30. You're terribly late.
Oh, I'm nearly ready. I've got to finish this report for tomorrow's meeting.
How long will you finish it?
About 15 minutes.
But I had better head off. I'm meeting my husband for dinner.
Is he coming to pick you up?
No, we'll meet at the restaurant. I've got to go now.
Enjoy your evening.
Thanks, goodbye. It's time to lunch. Let's go.
Okay. I'm hungry.
Where do you want to go for lunch? I'm bored of the canteen.
How about going out for lunch?
Okay, but where shall we have lunch?
Let's go to the food stall. There's a good one. Just around the corner. Everything looks tempting.
That sounds good. I'd love to try.
Okay. Let's go.
Hey, John, do you have the number for that restaurant on the street corner?
Yes. Hold on a second. Here it is. 888,961,254.
Great, thanks.
Are you ordering takeout food?
Hamburger with beef and fruit juice.
Oh, could you pick me up a chicken salad, sandwich and a large Diet Coke?
No problem. But do you have any cash on you? I don't think I have enough.
Yes, here you are.
How about going shopping this weekend? If you're free?
Okay. Is there anything that you want to buy?
Nothing in particular. I just haven't gone shopping for a long time.
Me neither. Where shall we go?
What about going to Women's Street? There are a lot of clothes stores there.
Okay. I haven't been there before. When do you want to go?
Saturday, then we can rest on Sunday.
Where do you want to meet up?
How about at the Dongsuman subway station? It's near to the Women's Street.
All right. See you then.
Peter, do you have any plans after finished work?
I shall go shopping. I need a lot of things to finish our new house, but I don't know where to go. Can you give me some advice?
Sure. What kinds of things do you need?
Well, I need kitchen utensils, bathroom accessories, cleaning and laundry accessories, things like that.
Then I suggest you going to Kmart or Walmart. They are very large discount department stores. The prices are very good, and you can find everything you need for the kitchen and bathroom.
That's great. When do the stores close?
About p.m.
Why don't we go together?
Okay, let's go. We have to work overtime today.
Why don't we leave it for tomorrow?
Today is the deadline. Let's get it done even if we have to stay up all night.
I'm game. Do you often work overtime?
Yes,
Really? Don't you get very tired after a while?
I've been accustomed to it.
Oh, by the way, do we get overtime pay?
Of course, it's 1.5 times for workday overtime and 2 times for weekends.
Mary, can you work late this afternoon?
Why? I don't understand.
I hate to do this to you, but I have to ask you to put in some more overtime.
Did I make any mistake?
No, just some extra work.
Does it have to be done this afternoon, Mr. Fairbanks? I've already made plans.
Well, I would have preferred to do it today. But if you've already made plans, we can do it tomorrow.
I'd appreciate that, sir. How long do you think you'll need me to stay?
About 2 hours, and you can take some time off some other day later.
Could you cover for me on Friday?
What's up?
John's sister is getting married this weekend.
Aren't you scheduled to be on call?
Yes, but my mother-in-law will come this Friday. I have to go to the station to pick her up.
You are so busy this week. All right, I will cover for you on Friday.
Can you cover for me for a while?
I think so. Well, where are you going?
I'm going to the post.
Will you come back this afternoon?
Yes, I'll come back as soon as possible.
Okay. Don't worry, I'll take care of the business for you. May I speak to Mr. John?
I'm sorry, Mr. John is at the meeting now. Who is this speaking, please?
Peter, how long will the meeting take?
About 2 hours. May I give him a message?
That's great. Thank you.
Bye.
Hello, can I speak to Lisa?
Hold on, please. I'll ask her to receive the call. I'm sorry, she is out at the moment.
I see. May I leave her a message, then?
Sure, what's your name and number?
Mike, my number is 85,923,106.
And what's the message?
Tell her I have something urgent for her. And please ask her to call me back as soon as possible.
Yes, I will. Hey, Mike.
What's up?
Somebody called you 5 minutes ago.
Who was that?
Let me see. Well, Bill.
Is there anything urgent?
I don't know. He said he would call you later.
I see, thank you.
Not at all. There was a phone call for you when we're out for lunch.
Oh, is it Mr. John?
Yes.
What did he say?
He said he was in Beijing.
Anything else?
Well, he wanted you to give him a call as soon as possible.
What's his number?
Well, 567844333.
Thank you very much. Good morning, Sally.
Good morning, me Robin.
I'd like you to meet our new colleague, Andy.
Nice to meet you, Andy.
Me too, Sally.
Andy is a newcomer, so I hope you would help her as far as you can.
Of course. Well, Andy, if there's anything I can do for you, let me know.
Thank you very much. I'm new to the working world and would appreciate your help.
That's all right. I'll try my best.
Hi here. My name is Ted. You're new around here.
Yes, my name is Eric.
Welcome aboard. This is your seat. Some office supplies have been prepared.
Thanks, you are so thoughtful.
Here is your computer. If there are any problems with the computer, you can contact Z Lee, the network administrator.
How can I contact him?
This is the contact information for the entire staff. Z Lee's extension number is on the list as well as mine.
Okay, thanks.
The printer, copier, fax and water dispenser are over there. Is there anything else I can do for you?
Not at the moment, thank you.